This episode is proudly brought to you by Ben Sherman. You can check them out in their clothes. They are beautiful clothes at Ben Sherman ZA on Facebook and Instagram. iDiskiTV powered by Ben Sherman. It's the Black Label Cup time. Yeah, man, it's looking bright and great. Preseason. I'm gaining a lot of weight and a lot of us there's too much break in between. Otherwise, you're feeling good about coming back with the Soweto Derby Black Label?
Yes, sir. Without wasting time.
Yes, sir.
Keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one. My brother, Satula we just lost to under 23 lost. The problem here is we lost, we don't have a solution. We need to talk, but it's fine. We need to do this video. Yeah, but I'm disappointed being Funguti Baz. We so the postpone is not good. Yeah, we keep quiet and ends again. A very big game. The whole world. One of the biggest derby in the entire world.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, South African we shoot you my own. Many things will stop. It's Sunday. The many bagwazu recover on Sunday. Plus alcohol fully. Yeah, so I'm not saying in a bad way. There's nothing wrong. So a tough kakulu. The game they full motivation to any player, any spectator. My fans itself, they become friends after game or before game. But the game my own. I'm an enemy. Enemy is not by fighting. It's gonna cause agna friendly. It's a Black Label Cup. If I'm not charity spectacular, whereby if I'm not friendly, but obviously a lot at stake. Remember, Chiefs might leave and Pirates there's no friendly. So in Zimakulu, remember Kaizer Chiefs won. Ascaling ayo. Babuya Preseason. The season that they are sharp. A Champions League. Compliment to them, but you final no podi. But it's this in a bit. We need to be realistic, and they managed to sign a couple of players. But obviously, the question mark compliment assign a top class. Keagan Dolly, one of the star player for me. Ngobo, Nkurmangalo Solos, star players. Tiberi excited as well. Abanye nalo mchitala zipola le Cole Alexander knows football. The questioning na philosophy. Are they gonna fit to the philosophy of the coach? Remember, it's Katasiko so with the Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think fans or any technical team they will wait for Stuart to bafuna results. Once they lose 3 games, 4 games, or 2 in a row, if frustration is obakanjani. Uzo limit ama player. Usana mapam sign ele top class na mhlambe we obvious and technical team compliment to them, but philosophy and khala ngayakhe is gonna suit those players now. Combination play uzoyithola na ngoba he is most playing as transition and uthanda ama crosses. So going to Orlando Pirates, they will play definitely a team. Mangcheka is starting line event. If there's any spone kahle zolo, if
one voted for.
Yeah, voted for. It's usually they normally
Orlando Pirates.
That's a different thing. Orlando Pirates advantage there. With badlala a normal team, they know strength each other. Easy. This is not the easy game. It came but pound to pound, if I check, I'll be honest to you, and it's gonna happen. Not to Guti, Mtambe Nyataucha, the way in Bonanga if Guti, yes, is a player Kaizer Chiefs, Amanya Amasha. They will wanna prove to the coach, to management, technical team, Nama fans. Orlando Pirates, they've been there. Now, we may never prove good they Banida Ugulo, Ubonis technical team with us, as bang a mistake, goodness keep. Me now we born a going to Pankali Pirates. After number 1 is Sundowns, currently in South Africa, players. Secondly, it's Pirates. So, the Pirates in the upper end, Pirates will win the game 2-0-2-1. It's going to be 2-0 or 2-1. Yeah. Orlando Pirates win.
Yeah, one of the things that you mentioned there, which is very important as well. If you're wondering, we're dressed by Ben Sherman. We're looking good. Go to their Facebook and Instagram as well if you want to get some of these clothes. I'm sure you will not regret that. You mentioned something very important. Orlando Pirates, actually, when I saw the starting lineup, I saw it once. I still remember it. It's Ofori, right back, Nguyoste, and then Unyawuza and Ohlatrayo, Mayela on the left. And then there's Makarenge, Munare, and Mutswari. And then there's Hoto, there's Mango. Only one person that I've forgotten. Either Uloch was been voted for there. I can tell the whole Orlando Pirates 11. With Kaizer Chiefs, there are players I'm forgetting. What is Ngoba still there or not? So there is something there with the new players. They were too late to be voted for by the fans. I know there are other players, Abafana no Lesako, which I think I saw on the starting lineup as well. There is a discrepancy with the quality between the lineup your Pirates that voted for by the fans and the lineup your Chiefs, and I think maybe that's a big deal.
Yeah, in reality, they make good signing, but we need to be realistic. Kaizer Chiefs, sure. We need to compliment with this very. Yeah, I mean, straightforward. Pasana player crane. Inking now in Jobangish combination. Funa Munto smart. Are you gonna able to put that cream together now? Are you gonna able to take out the best out of those players as a coach? Ngoba I transition ama player lawa amanye they will love bona. Definitely sure, I'm sure bazofuna ukuthi ngoba example ukuthi Keagan Dolly I know la bekadlala khona he was not playing regular mar quality. So obviously I'm not too sure ngikhuluma starting level.
Unfortunately uDolly no Alexander no Ngobo they're not unfortunately not.
Sengikhuluma ngale lineup ke going to them. The lineup they are new players. Ngibona Ngobo there sensitive position. Lapha phakathi very sensitive in Mato him and Mato. I think you're right, it's Ukados I don't think is there. It's Mato and Lomchita lo Ngobo. Kale FP Lomchita mabili if I'm not mistaken. The way
is Bafika late to be voted for by the fans. So his starting lineups at Chiefs will be mostly the players that played last season. So I think that's going to be a big factor, and I want to agree with you. Maybe Orlando Pirates have the upper hand coming to this one.
Yeah, if no man abuya ngale team ekudala ikhona. Yenza kanjani understand?
Yeah,
how they did.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, mina the way ngibonile le lineup shoot akusiyo but shooting boniso munye
unless there are injuries. If there are injuries, then other players can come in, and I think even the way it works is that kuzo ngena kule position, the one who has the second best votes. It all goes with how many people voted for that player. Yeah,
going to that kulilego both challenge. If you're gonna go to that Ivar, but the Kaizer Chiefs, the Pirates pega kuthi number one, and the Pirates truly speaking, they had players.
Number
three. Good CV Premiership, and honestly speaking, coaching technical team let it down. According to me, last season, one or two players, yes, it goes down a decision making a coach. But the Kaizer Chiefs, they players that they've been there for about 6 years. Banga winning next. Last season, they didn't do well. Yes, abanyabantu who have Ivar ngabani compliment. Na mabanga ba nevar the way bebadlala ngakhona kuze bafike final. I'm sure they were shocked. Yabo, and then kululeka Ivar ukuthi they didn't do well. Ivar against Pirates that end up number 3. Get decision making Orlando Pirates technical team, I'm a mistake. So it's gonna be a problem. Could we with facts?
Powers and powers.
Yeah, a problem. Pirates in a team, page. And then Jobangish and Kaizer Chiefs they've signed players that it's very important to get identity and then South Africans. Identity by Lego. Ikala la national team. Europe, we go to Europe. Under structure is very important. You play under structure, you take out you keep the best out of the team, individual special. My figure my coaches I sabi difficult. Now, in example, Pirates still have swing power. Decision making wrong. You know, niggas believe we want to philosophy of golden arrows. He will come up. He's not. I heard he's the assistant coach. The head coach. He's got the final say. Also called Gutiba Bambi San and niggas now. It tells you a technical team make me peg and ask Guti is in Uzoikalana or Bafunkumbo and Ali came. Beg Melibam Shangani Senomuntu is like Kevin Johnson and Peter Simon. Philosophy. It's very easy in Kulula Gutin Bonisan and Zotifagan. Now no niggas believe in philosophy Bonil Arrows. Playing an unknown high chance, comfortable on the ball, and I'm a player that they compete in number 4. We are understanding here before 5. So Ngululego reality to Gutungasi, we are last Poland in Bonit. Now he came at Orlando Pirates. I'm a player that they've been there, high profile players, but the coach, the head coach, Axi philosophy, Umboni Pirates, the speed one. They're running equipment management. Ufagama play team balance. It's very important to play team balance. It defense, midfield, and attack up front. So if I'm a Kaizer Chiefs, the coach at Kaizer Chiefs, identity. He coach Kaizer Chiefs. He coach that defensive. I know what he's doing very well. He's gonna put up Antabama. We need to defend. He first priority to defend. He's concerned about the opponent. Secondly, transition. He's gonna put couple of players there up front. He question La imidlili ngoba you know ngenze example if you know Keagan Dolly it's just an example going forward you Keagan Dolly Kama Billiard Castro for example la in imidlili bekhona umshishi it's a question it's very important as a coach ukuhlanganisa combination ipoto lalibonde bekunomshishi kunozungu Downs and Hlompo so even ku Kaizer Chiefs it's important to have players there in imidlili that will be able to supply those players keep the best out of those players and allow them player to express themselves, not playing according to always instruction yakho. Those players are big names players. You need to understand ukuthi bagwazi individually. You can coach them, but under instruction individually they can do anything for you.
Final prediction again. Please remind the fans, what do you think is going to happen on Sunday?
Kulego Pirates is a win game 2-0 or 2-1.
Right, there you go. Calling Black Label Cup at 5 p.m. on Sunday. Enjoy the game. Thank you so much for watching us at iDiskiTV, Diski Times, and Ben Sherman is sponsoring this episode. Thank you so much for watching us.